Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use FileShare to transfer your files. Let me type FileShare and you can go here filetransfer.io, and now you can select any file from your laptop, then click here, and after that here you can see file is uploading, and file uploading time can depend upon file size. So for example, if you upload large size files, then you need to wait. Now scroll down, and here you can see on the top, file can be downloaded from here, and you will get share button. Now you can copy this link. You can also send via email. So you can select one of the option to transfer your files.